Sorry, I missed the train. Sorry about that. I just missed it. But thanks. Oh, I wanted to show you this. I was reading this. This is like pretty incredible. Okay. This guy's this writer, and we work with him, and he gave this to me. I wanted to read it to you and see what you think. It's called the Arrowhead. There just aren't many places to go anymore. Last place we liked was the Arrowhead, the drive-in, or out past the slaughterhouse. They closed it up somewhere around the end of last summer. The smell was always bad, but the movies only cost $3.50 a car, and that ain't bad. It seemed like...
Why are you reading this to me right now?
I'll just read it to you when we get home. What is this?
Oh. My boss gave it to me. It's a lock.
But there are letters on it.
I thought it was cool.
Okay. But, like, do you know the code? Or?
No, that's why he gave it to me. I thought it would be fun.
I mean, do you want me to open it, or...
I don't know, I just thought you would like it.
Do you know how long this would take me to try to get it to open, or... was he like a handicapped guy, or...
No. I don't know. He just gave it to me, and I thought you would think it was cool.
Okay.